Welcome to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for beginners. In this session, we will discuss about kanji. We have already discussed in brief about kanji in sessions 1 and 10. Now here we will discuss need of kanji in Japanese writing and some guidelines for strokes order for kanji writing. So let us start. Need of kanji in Japanese writing. Now the number one reason is there are no spaces between the words in a Japanese sentence. So it becomes difficult to distinguish between different words in a Japanese sentence. A long text only in Hiragana will be indecipherable, difficult to understand. So kanji are necessary to distinguish between the words in a Japanese sentence. So number one reason is no spaces between the words. In sentence. Now the second reason is due to limited number of sounds in Japanese, there are a large number of homophones. Homophones are words, Japanese words, which has same pronunciation but different meanings. Homophones. Homophones are words having same pronunciation but different meanings. For example, yasashi. Yasashi. Yasashi means kind. Also easy. Pronunciation is same but meanings are different. So with the help of kanji this can be differentiated. For kanji for word kind is this is a kanji for the word kind, and easy pronunciation is same but meaning is different. Kanji for this is yasashi. different words, but pronunciation is same. Another example is Hana. Hana means one meaning is flower, another meaning is nose. Pronunciation is same. Hana means flower as well as nose. So how to differentiate between these? Kanji for flower is Hana. And for nose, Kanji for nose is so pronunciation is same, Hana, but meanings are different, flower and nose. We will take another example. Kami. Kami means one meaning is paper. Kami also hair, and Kami means also God. So meanings are different, but pronunciation is same. Kami. Paper, Kanji for paper is Kami means paper. Hair, and God, Kanji for God is so pronunciation is same, coming, but meanings are different, paper, hair and God. These can be differentiated with the help of Kanji only. So here Kanji is necessary. We can take one more example. Atsui. Atsui have different meaning. Atsui means thick. Atsui means also hot climate. And also hot object. So how to differentiate between these? Atsui means thick. Kanji is hot climate. Kanji for hot climate is 3. And hot object, kanji for hot object is so here pronunciation is same but meanings are different. So a large number of homophones are there in Japanese writing. So kanji are necessary to differentiate between these homophones. And it depends, meaning depends on the context, in which context we are talking. Now next we will discuss some guidelines for writing a strokes order for writing kanji. Guidelines for a strokes order for writing kanji. Generally, kanji is written from top to bottom. Starts with top and go towards bottom, top to bottom. Number 1 is from top to bottom. Second, horizontal stroke first. Example, horizontal stroke first, then vertical stroke. Then generally kanji are written from left to right. From left to right. For example, this is next. Then the center line first, center stroke is first. For example, and then left and right. Center first, then left and right. For example, sometimes center line, center stroke comes in the last. For example, here center stroke in the last. For example, this is center stroke in the last. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 6. In case of diagonal strokes, first right to left and then left to right. In case of diagonal stroke, first right to left and then left to right. Right to left stroke precedes left to right. Sometimes vertical strokes precedes horizontal. For example, this is vertical stroke then horizontal. Vertical stroke precedes horizontal stroke. Vertical stroke precedes horizontal. So these are some guidelines for strokes order for writing kanji. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. We will discuss some common greetings in Japanese. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.